The following video you're about to view includes the proper use of manufacturer's guidelines for the Guardian Fall Protection Bucket of Safe Tie. When it comes to complying with OSHA's fall protection regulations, the Guardian Bucket of Safe Tie is the answer for residential contractors such as framers and roofers. The Guardian Bucket of Safe Tie comes complete with a ready-to-use system that is durable, easy to use, and fully complies with OSHA's stringent standards. The Bucket of Safe Tie comes with the following components: a vertical lifeline assembly which consists of your choice in a waterproof blue polysteel rope or a polydeck rope of 25 feet or 50 feet in length, your choice of a manual adjusting positioning device or trailing rope grab, a 5-point adjustable harness that adjusts to various body types and sizes, and multiple options of Guardian Fall protection anchors.
Hi, my name is Glenn Smith, and I'm the Director of Training here at Guardian Fall Protection. We make the Bucket of Safe Tie available in multiple component options. No matter which component option you choose, ensure that that Bucket of Safe Tie has the Guardian Fall Protection Quality Control sticker located on the lid. This sticker ensures that all the components in the Bucket of Safe Tie have been thoroughly inspected and are ready and safe to use. All of the components in the Bucket of Safe Tie must be inspected prior to use by the individual using them. It's also important to remember that every component in the Bucket of Safe Tie must be inspected by a competent person every 6 months. Now, this 6-month inspection can be conveniently recorded on the inspection tag, which is located beneath the protective cover. It's also important to remember that according to OSHA guidelines, everyone that uses this Bucket of Safe Tie must be trained in its proper usage. The Bucket of Safe Tie comes with the HUV or universal size harness. The unique features of this harness include no tangle webbing design, 5 points of adjustment, an enlarged dorsal D-ring, a no-slip placard, a rear safety strap, a complete bilingual label, and a load impact indicator, and notched pass-through buckles. This notched pass-through buckle ensures ease of donning the harness, while this no tangle webbing design ensures that there are no loose adjusting straps. The enlarged dorsal D-ring ensures compatibility with all manufacturers of fall protection equipment, while the non-slip placard keeps this dorsal D-ring from moving into an unsafe position. The rear safety strap ensures that in the event of a fall, the person is going to stay in the harness. The bilingual label ensures that all your workers will understand the Guardian manufacturer's instructions. The impact load indicator will indicate when this harness has been involved in a fall. Ensure that you and or the supervisor remove this harness from service in the event of a fall and when that impact load indicator is red. Regardless of which lifeline you choose, they all contain these 3 important elements: the inline shock absorber, the contrasting color of stitching in the lanyard, and a positioning device with a double locking snap hook. The inline shock absorber is protected by an outer removable cover which extends the life with UV protection and is easily removable for inspection. The shock pack or deceleration device elongates in the event of a fall and reduces those fall forces to below 900 pounds. Now, this is far below OSHA's guidelines of 1,800 pounds. The contrasting color of stitching in the lanyard allows for easy inspection of this lanyard, while the positioning device allows this device to remain at the hip for ease of use. Guardian Fall Protection exclusively utilizes blue polysteel rope. It was designed to reduce the likelihood of snags on exposed nail heads and other sharp objects. It is waterproof, it will not swell, crack, mildew, or rot.
It is mandatory that every worker assume responsibility and inspect the harness before each use. Inspect the harness and hardware components for damage. distortion, cuts, cracks, loose stitching, tears, abrasions, mold, burns, or general discoloration. Take any defective equipment out of service immediately. It is also mandatory to thoroughly inspect the vertical lifeline before each use. Inspect the rope and all of the lifeline components for damage, distortion, cuts, cracks, loose stitching, tears, abrasions, mold, burns, or general discoloration. Also inspect the shock pack to ensure that it has not been deployed. Be sure that the double locking snap hook does not catch or stick in either the open or the closed position. Guardian Fall Protection includes many different options in the bucket of safe tie, and while there might be significant differences in styles and applications, the same inspection procedure applies to all of them. Inspect the anchor carefully for damage, distortion, cuts, cracks, and discoloration. Check welding points for damage and distortion. Each Guardian Fall Protection anchor comes with a warning decal describing proper use and proper installation procedure. The user should familiarize themselves with these procedures thoroughly before using the product. Being that Guardian Fall Protection specializes in anchor points, the BOS comes with the largest anchoring options available in the market. These include the Temper Reusable Anchor, Disposable Snappy Anchor, Stainless Steel Reusable Anchor, the Reusable SP Anchor, Reusable Global Anchor, and the Reusable Halo Anchor. The 5,000-pound rated Temper Anchor is a reusable anchor ideal for new construction or re-roofing applications. The unique design was developed to specifically avoid splitting of the truss by the position of the fastener holes. The D-ring on top of the Temper Anchor rotates so that the worker can move from one side of the roof to the other safely. Attachment is fast and simple. Simply identify a proper anchoring spot on the roof, void of wood rot or cracks. Attach the Temper Anchor directly to a truss by filling all holes with the supplied fasteners. The Temper Anchor can be attached at the ridge or in mid-field. You can use either screws or duplex nails to attach the anchor point. The only requirement is that all fasteners fully penetrate a truss and that all holes are filled with the supplied or manufactured fasteners. The Temper Anchor is long-lasting and is corrosion-resistant. The disposable one-use-only Snappy Anchor is an economical 5,000-pound rated anchor option when a worker needs a quick anchor point to attach to. The unique snappy design allows a worker to carry more anchors safely in their nail bag. The design allows the anchor to be bent in any pitch for ease of use. Identify the proper anchoring spot on the roof, void of wood rot or cracks, and directly apply the anchor to a truss. All holes on the Snappy Anchor must be filled with the supplied fasteners. The fasteners must fully penetrate the truss. Once the worker has finished using the Snappy, the anchor stem can just be hammered over and left in place. No removal is required. The stainless steel reusable anchor is designed for flexibility and multiple uses. Lightweight, this 5,000-pound rated anchor point requires only 5 screws on each side and can use nails as well. The anchor can be bent to any pitch.